Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a new fintech company. I've already made a couple videos about them before, but I want to make some corrections about this fintech business credit card. As you guys may already know, I've already promoted this company twice now, 2 other videos like I said. Today we're going to be talking about Jeeves. If you haven't seen the other videos, go back and check those out. I'll have the link in the description below. But if you haven't, that's okay. Jeeves is a corporate card. They're global all over the world, but now they recently started in the U.S. market. Before they were in the South America area. Now they're in the U.S. So definitely worth applying for and checking and see if you can get approved for it. It's an easy approval. I got approved very quickly, and we got already several other people approved from the last videos. And make sure when you apply, use my link below because we're a strategic partner with them now. Like I said, it's Jeeves. This is the card, okay? You can see here it says Meet Jeeves, the corporate card tailored for American startups, Mexican startups, European startups. The good thing about it is, like it says here, pay for anything, anywhere in your local currency, no fees, no entrance, and no personal guarantees. Mobile first, built in with your team in mind. So it's backed by very big, like Silicon Valley Bank. I'm going to make a video about them as well. That's one of their backers and several others. So the good thing about them is they give you 30 days to repay, so you have to pay in full. So it's kind of like a corporate card, American Express or like a Divvy or whatever. But that's one correction I wanted to make. The last video I made, I think I said 30 and 60 days. And that's a mistake. That was Row gives you up to 60 days. I'll be making a video about them here soon. I'm working out an interview with Row. But anyways, back to Jeeves. You get 30 days to pay. And the good thing about Jeeves is you have, you get 1% cash back. And it's all manual underwriting. So what you're going to do is go through the process here. It says join Jeeves, and you're just going to fill out this information here: first name, last name, work email. The referral code's probably going to be already there for mine. Your phone number, select country, and then sign up. It's not a full application. It's like a mini application, and then one of the account executives, can't talk today, account executives will reach out to you within a day or two and schedule your demo, and they will walk you through the process to see if it's a good fit or not. And so they have basically the corporate card, and then I believe they're working on doing like expense management. But what you can do is you can issue all your employees these cards, and you can put like a limit on each one, just like Divvy or Brex or others. But like I said, it's no personal guarantee. It's issued by MetaBank, but it's underwritten directly in-house with Jeeves. So some of my subscribers got approved for 1,000, some got approved for 20, 40, 50,000. But I've seen quite a few that emailed me that got approved for 20 and 40,000. They like to see that you've been in business for at least 3 months. So keep that in mind. My rep, Wesley, he said they like to talk to everybody. So it's not a thing where they have a strict, say, 6 months in business or 1 year in business. So many factors will play into your approval. They may start you at a lower limit and then go from there. But, you know, they're definitely one of the fintech companies to watch out for. I think they're going to be growing like a rapid growth here in the U.S. So, and then they got a few other little products and stuff that I'll talk about later, because I plan on doing a couple more videos and doing an interview with somebody over at Jeeves. But yeah, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. I just want to make that correction. But if you haven't already applied and you watched the other videos, definitely consider applying, because, you know, one of the other subscribers has only been in business for like 10 weeks or 12 weeks or so, doesn't have a whole lot of business income, you know, coming in, but they still approved him for $1,000. I know it's not much, but, you know, you can request a limit increase after about 3 months of on-time payments, you know, and it's no personal guarantee, and it's no credit check either. They don't do any credit checks whatsoever. They're going to ask you, by law, they have to ask you for, you know, your personal information, your ID, things like that, but it's not going to go in your personal credit at all. And I know they said they were working on getting it reported to the business credit bureaus in the future. Right now it does not, but you might want to check it out. It's definitely I think a game changer, and I expect them to grow pretty quickly. So with all that being said, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I got more videos coming out tomorrow and every day going forward for the rest of the year. But yeah, and smash that thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, you guys take care. Make sure you sign up using the link below. And let me know. Put the comment section if you've already applied. Put a comment how much you got approved for and what you think of them. Till next time, you guys take care. If you guys have any questions, also put them in the comment section, because I will be making follow-up videos about Jeeves as well. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.